Hi there! Welcome to Harvesting Heritage. And I'm Channing. I thought I'd give you a tour of my garden quickly before I do harvest. We have been gone on vacation for just 8 days, and I cannot believe at the end of September, the first day of fall, how much everything grew. It's like the garden finally came into season. So let me give you a little tour. Starting out with the artichokes. They are coming back for their second harvest. I'm getting some artichokes. Look how beautiful some of the flowering ones are. My petunias have finally started to bloom. The rose is still going. Some more petunias. A wasp coming after me. The limelight hydrangeas are starting to turn purple or pink. Getting their blush. Our pots are full. More bursts of color, clematis. Sean's corn and sunflowers are up. Pumpkins hidden everywhere. We have a sudden tomato jungle. Tons of basil. Watermelon coming on, cilantro looking great. I'm gonna get a bunch of tomatoes today. Just look how big it got. Our onions are ready to pull. Look at all of this squash blew up. This kohlrabi has tripled in size. Lettuce, beans. We have a gopher. They're not getting in my beds, but they're sure making a mess. The corners of my beds. Beans. Kale. Look at all those tomatoes finally coming in. Basil. Wow, a red pepper. Amazing. Remember, I've had a horrible season so far, so this is amazing. All of this lettuce, I don't even remember planting lettuce, so that's exciting. More tomatoes. We've got squash on this side. Wow, some big squash down there. A huge pumpkin. Strawberries still going. Look at all this. This is all gourds. It's decided to grow into the greenhouse. Oh, the flowers are so pretty. Uh-oh. That's the summer squash. I think the chickens got some dinner. Holy moly. Some gourds growing in. Another gopher. Kajari melon. Look at all of these honey nut squashes. It's so romantic looking. Some bell peppers, more tomatoes, peas, spinach, more gopher. Wow. Corn, beans, tomatoes, shishito peppers, lettuce, summer squash, basil, cilantro, strawberries, and some peppers. Not bad for 30 minutes in the garden. Well, thanks for coming along for this quick tour of the garden. I am thrilled, excited, and kind of stunned at how much can change in 1 week. Left to its own devices, plants want to grow. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. And until next time, I hope you have a joy-filled day.